Click on the image and select Edit. Click on the image again, choose Replace Image and upload your desired photo. Navigate to the folder containing your image. Click on the image to select it, then click Open. Finally, click Save and Close. To add an image, go to Insert, select Drawing and click New. Click on Image icon and choose your image. Click the small arrow next to the crop icon, go to Shapes and select Circle. Choose Save and Close. Click on the image and from the bottom of the image, choose the In Front of Text position. Then, hold the Shift key and drag the corners of the image to resize it as desired. Then, at the bottom of the image, click on the three dots and select Size and Rotations. Then from the Position section on the right, select Fix Position on Page and adjust the X and Y values to achieve your desired position.